All right, so picked up a new toy. So for the pool, the old school method for cleaning the pool is you stick a hose in the filter, make sure the hose is filled with water, and then connect it to your little vacuum end attachment. And then basically you're using the pool's filter system to clean the pool. It's kind of a pain in the butt. The hose comes detached every once in a while. So this is the Pool Blaster Max Li. It's what's known as a pool vacuum. So it's a rechargeable, cordless. All you do is you connect it into your pool, turn it on, and it's like a regular vacuum cleaner. It keeps all of the debris inside, just like a regular vacuum cleaner. And once you're done, you just empty that out, recharge it, and it should be good for next time. So it's a lot easier. You don't have to worry about the hose or any of that junk. Makes life a little bit easier. So we need to get this thing out. We need to get it charged, and then we'll give it a shot. Hey guys, what are you doing?
My feet in the water. Yeah, but Mom's feet.
Are you guys waiting to get in?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm so excited to get my feet.
Tell Mommy to hurry up and clean the pool. Just joking, don't say that. All right, we're all charged up. Now we're getting this sucker on the pole. Go for it.
It's an easily.
Can't see it.
It's a little bit. Good. All right.
All right, pool hover, go for it.
Okay, so just push the on button.
Push it.
Here, I'm timer.
All right, pool girl, how's it working from up here?
really easy. And it stays on the bottom pretty good, so I don't have to worry about the other one where it would float up.
Cool.
So I can glide around wherever I want to go pretty easily without the cord.
Let's check our bounty.
Wow. Look at all that.
That's disgusting.
That's really disgusting. Oh, that's gross. Oh, that's satisfying.
I'm ready to hose.
Yep.
Does it look like it?
So that's that. And there's the filter. Yep.
Sucker.
Oh, look at all the potato buggies. Like.
So overall, sound like it worked pretty good. What do you think, Hayden? Did it work good? So it worked pretty good. We're happy with it. My wife's been asking for one of these for a while, so I'm pretty glad that it worked out. So thanks for watching.